Hello everyone and good morning. It's so good to be with you this morning. Before we get started, let's check the mail. A postcard for Miss Post. Let's see what it says. Miss Post, it seems like my family is always running late. It's really frustrating sometimes. How can I make sure that we are on time? Oh goodness, I totally agree with you. This can be so frustrating. So let's see if we can use some math to help solve this problem. First, you need to estimate how long it will take for you to get ready. Now, be realistic, and you might even want to time yourself. Sometimes we think we do things faster than we really do them, especially in the morning when we're still kind of sleepy. It takes me about 45 minutes to get ready. Then you need to think about how long it will take your family to drive somewhere. Or maybe you're going to bike or skateboard. But remember, never underestimate how long this will take you. If anything, allow yourself an extra 5 or 10 minutes. Now, the second important thing is that you are really good at reading a clock. I think sometimes clocks can be confusing because we're used to seeing numbers on a straight line instead of wrapped around a circle. So try to think of clocks in a new way. A clock is just a number line that wraps around this circle instead of being laid out straight. Now, the first number line goes from 0 all the way to 12, and that represents your hours in the day. Now, the second number line is kind of hidden, but it's on there. It starts at 0 and it goes to 60, so we're counting by fives, and it represents your minutes in the day. So there are two hands on this clock. The smaller hand is about your hours, and it tells you where you are on the hour number line. And the longer minute hand will tell you where you are on the minute number line. So every time that the minute hand travels all the way around the number line from 0 to 60, then the hour hand will move ahead to the next hour, and then the minute hand starts over. So let's think about an example. If it's 2:30 in the afternoon and I know that I need 45 minutes to get ready and about 20 minutes to drive somewhere, could I be there by 3:30? Let's think about it like counting on using a number line. I'm going to start my number line at 2:30 and use increments of 5 minutes just like a clock does. So let's start at 2:30 and count on by fives for the 45 minutes that I need to get ready. So start at 2:30 and count on 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 minutes. And we land at 3:15. Then I will need 20 minutes to drive, so count on another 20. Remember, we're counting by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, and we land at 3:35. Yikes, it looks like I will be 5 minutes late. Well, let's try it by just looking at the clock now. Now remember, these are just number lines wrapped around a circle. One trip around the clock with the minute hand is 60 minutes. And remember, I said it would be 65 minutes for me to get ready and drive where I need to go. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. There's one trip around the clock, and 5 more minutes has me at 3:35. This was such a great question today. I hope today's lesson helped you think about how to better plan to be on time. I also hope that you will always remember that a clock is really just 2 different number lines that were wrapped around a circle. The minute number line runs from 1 to 60. The hour number line runs from 1 to 12. I hope you have a great rest of the day. Good luck with all that you have planned to do, and good luck making sure that you get where you need to be on time. Remember, keep a positive mindset. Grow every day by reading books and asking big questions. And also, always remember, there's nothing that you can't do if you put your mind to it. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Let's go to class. It's a blast. You're a great student. Hope you know that you can do it.